Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with Pythagoras Theorem, exercise 18, part 13. Here is the 13th question. A boy first goes 5 meter due north and then 12 meter due east. Find the distance between the initial and the final position of the boy. Here I have just kept a directions, right? So let's see how this boy is going to move. Firstly, what they are saying is this boy goes to 5 meter due north. North is in upward direction, right? So he will be moving in the upward direction in the north side for 5 meter distance, right? So the boy moved to upward direction for 5 meter, right? Now what they are saying, and then 12 meter due east. Let the boy turn to the other side. Now he is going to travel towards the east. He is going to walk towards the east is in this direction. So he started to walk in the east for the distance of 12 meter. He walked to the distance 12 meter, right? Now what they're saying is find the distance between the initial. Initial means starting point. Which was the starting point where the boy started? This was the initial point, right? And the final position. And finally where did the boy reach? In this place, right? What is the distance between them? That is, this is the distance between them, right? This is the distance between the initial point, that is starting point, and the final position, final point, right? So we need to find this part, initial to final position. What is the distance? What is the distance between the initial to final position? Let's write the given data first. The boy traveled, distance a boy traveled in north is 5 meter and distance traveled in east is 12 meter, distance between initial and final position, right? Now, if you look at this diagram, how it looks like? Doesn't it looks like a right angle triangle? Like this? Yes, exactly children. It is a right angle triangle. So, I'm just assuming this one like this, right? Just it looks like a right angle triangle. So, just I am placing a right angle triangle and naming it as ABC. The vertex has ABC and AB, the distance is 5 meter. I'm just converting this diagram like this. I'm just comparing with that so that it will be easy for you to understand. And BC is 12 meter and AC we need to find out. Now by using a formula, that is Pythagoras theorem, you can easily find out the hypothesis. This is the hypothesis, so you can easily find it out. According to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square, right? So just write AC square as it is. And what is BC? BC is 12. So 12 square plus AB is 5. 5 square. Now just convert this. 12 square means 12 into 12. It becomes 144 plus 25. 144 plus 25 will become 169. AC square is equal to 169. Now we have to remove this square because we have to find out only AC, right? So a square should be removed. For removing the square, you need to do the square root of this 169. So square root of 169 is 13. Do you know how to find the square root of any number using a long division method? In our next slide, I am going to teach you how to do a square root with a long division method. Just put a two lines and write 169 in between them. Just take the first number, that is 1. So 1 is divisible with 1 one's is 1, right? So just put 1, and because you are multiplying it twice, 1 one's are, just write 1 ones on the top. So this one will be the answer. Final answer, you will get it over here. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now 1 minus 1 will be 0, and you have to get this two numbers down, right? You have to get two numbers down, not one number, because if you get only 6 down, when you multiply it with 1, you have to multiply the same number, that is 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, like that, right? If you consider the least number, that is 1, 1, if you consider like that, then it will be 21. But from this 6, you cannot remove 21, right? So that's the reason we are getting this 69 down. And if you place 3 over here, 3, 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. It's uh, 69, right? 23 into 3 is 69. So 69, and it will be 0. You have, since you are placing 3, 3, just put 1 3 on the top, and 69 minus 69 will be 0. So our answer is 13. I hope you understood this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell button. If you have any doubts in maths, if you are unable to solve any problems, you can just ask me in the comment section. As soon as possible, I will just make a video and upload it for you. Check the description box for Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.